Hello everyone, I am Sugat Pawar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I am going to explain the classification of control system. First of all, we'll see the definition of control system. The system intended for the controlling the behavior of plant variables are nothing but the control systems. Classification of control systems. Depending upon different parameters such as input output relationship, control strategy, the control systems are classified as linear control system, non-linear control system, time invariant control system, time variant control system, causal control system, non-causal control system, stable control systems, unstable control systems, SISO control system and MIMO control system. SISO is single input single output control system and MIMO is multi input multi output control system. Now one by one we will see the definition of all the classified control systems. First of all, linear and non-linear control system. A control system which obeys superposition theorem and a law of homogeneity is called as linear control system, and the control system which does not obey the superposition theorem and law of homogeneity is called as non-linear control system. Time invariant and time variant control system. A control system for which input output relationship does not change with respect to time is called as time invariant control system, and the control system for which input output relationship changes with respect to time is called as time variant control system. Now causal and non-causal control system. A control system is a causal control system if its output depends only on present and or past input and does not depends on future input, and the control system whose output is depends on future input, then it is called as non-causal control system. Stable and unstable control system. A control system is a stable control system if it produces bounded in output for every bounded input, and the control system which does not produces bounded output for every bounded input means unbounded output it produces for a bounded input. So for such a type of control systems are called as unstable control system. Then SISO and MIMO control system, the name itself indicates that a control system may have single input and single output is called as SISO control system, and the control system may have multi input and multi output is called as MIMO control system. Thank you.